everybody. Now we are going to talk about the strategic implementation process, how we are going to implement the methodology that we are to reach the goal. So here we talk about strategic implementation, turning ideas into action. So we may have ideas that are written in our paperwork, systems and everything, and ultimately bringing it into reality is a very big task that we have to carry out. How we are going to do, and what are the methods that could ease us, that we are going to discuss here, right? So defining a strategic objective, it should be very specific, measurable, achievable, and it should be relevant to the topic. So it should be very specific what you're going to do, what is the objective that you have framed, and you have to measure it. So how you're going to achieve it, what are the aspects that would help you to achieve that, and measuring tools it may be, methods and everything. Then achievable, you have to see whether it's achievable or it is beyond your limits. You have to plan everything. Sometimes for example, you could say you will be having only 10 and the need for the hour maybe 12. So you should be planning whether you could achieve 12. If not, you have to wait or procure the raw material and finish the rest, right? So and surely it should be relevant to the you have to plan whether it's relevant to your need or goal, or else just don't waste your time like that. So aligning organization structure, first you have to be role and responsibility. You have to understand what is your role there, your responsibility there, how you are going to achieve it, how your team spirit, your leadership, everything plays a vital role here, right? Then reporting lines, so you have to report then and there to your immediate boss, and if it is required, you have to communicate with your peer group and the people who are working under you also. So reporting is upward as well as downward. So decision making authority, delegate decision making authority appropriate level to expedite progress and empower team. So as a leader, you have to take a prompt decision if it is required, or else you could take decisions from the previous data that are there, how they have handled that situation. All this could help you. Then allocating resources, you have to allocate financial, human and time resources. Time, how you're going to arrange, what is the working schedule, if you require overtime, how you're going to frame everything. And technological resources play the role of how you're going to arrange for the technicians and other aspects like tools, methodologies, and even software and hardware, that if it is required, how you're going to arrange the technological need of the production unit. Then when we talk about the communicating the strategy, you have to have internal communication. As I told you, top to bottom and bottom to up, everybody has to communicate and clarify your good and pros and cons about the production process. And external communication from your stakeholders, your customers, your investors and partners also are to be taken care. Then when we talk about the regular updates, you have to give regular updates to your prior boss or whomever is responsible for that production unit, right? So monitoring and evaluating, track the process where you are, where is the situation that you're standing now, analyze the performance. You have to analyze, if you go in this particular speed, can you reach that particular position on time, on right quantity, quality, everything. And evaluate the effectiveness. So after completing, just evaluate it. Is it have we reached it properly, or if not, how could we correct in the next time? Overcoming resistance to change, so lack of understanding, fear of unknown, loss of control, everything play a vital role here. Lack of understanding, people don't understand what is the new thing that is going to happen. And fear of unknown, you have to educate them and you have to explain the need and the trend that is requiring why they are going to read. And loss of control, at times it empowers you to go and speak to them with more voice or something. You have to balance yourself and control, and you have to control their mental ability and soften them as a leader, and you have to play a vital role here. sustain momentum. So celebrate if you get a success and don't stop there. Always have a continuous improvement and develop as a leader and play a vital role as a good leader. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.